Hello everyone, my name is Miss Sharon Roshan, teacher from Trinity International School. So today we are going to learn letter L. Okay, today we are going to learn letter L. So L says lion. L says lion. What does L say? L says lion. Repeat after me. L for lion. So say the names of the pictures that begin with L sound and color them. जो पिक्चर L साउंड से होता है उसको कलर क्या करना है, हमें बोलना है और उसे कलर करना है. क्या करोगे? कलर. सो L फॉर लेडी बर्ड एंड L फॉर लॉलीपॉप. L फॉर लेडी बर्ड एंड L फॉर लॉलीपॉप. So now we are going to learn letter L. So L for leaf and L for lamp. So trace and write letter L. How will you write from red line to blue line? Standing line. Okay, this is from red line to blue line, and then on blue line we are going to make a small sleeping line like this. Understood? देखो, from red line to blue line standing line, फिर ब्लू लाइन पे एक छोटा सा स्लीपिंग लाइन. आई एम यूजिंग योर पेन सो दैट यू कैन सी इट क्लियरली. यू आर सपोज टू यूज़ योर पेंसिल. ओके किड्स? स्टैंडिंग लाइन एंड देन स्लीपिंग लाइन. स्टैंडिंग लाइन एंड देन स्लीपिंग लाइन. ओके? Then we are going to learn small l. Small l. So this is small l. So it looks like J, right? But this is small l. ये है छोटा l. आपको ऐसे लिखना है. स्टैंडिंग लाइन और फिर कर्व थोड़ा सा. फिर दिस इज़ योर होमवर्क. यू हैव टू कंप्लीट दिस बॉक्सेस by with writing capital L and small letter L. Okay? Draw triangles around L and L, then join them. ट्राइंगल्स ड्रॉ करना है L के यहाँ पे. देखो ऐसे पेंसिल से ड्रॉ करो आप. फिर ऐसे ज्वाइन करना है. ओके? नाउ राइट L बिलो द पिक्चर. स्टैंडिंग लाइन, स्लीपिंग लाइन, फिर स्टैंडिंग लाइन और फिर कर्व. ओके? L फॉर लोटस, L फॉर लीफ, L फॉर लैम्प, L फॉर लेडर, L फॉर लॉलीपॉप एंड L फॉर लेग. Next we'll learn letter M. So this is letter M. M says monkey. What does M says? M says monkey. बोलो. M for monkey. So say the names of the picture that begin with M, sound and color them. So M for mango and M for mushroom. So you have to color these pictures. Then we learn how to write letter M, capital M. Standing line, slanting line, again the slanting line and standing line. Standing line, slanting line, again the slanting line and again standing line. Okay? Start from this green dot first. Standing line, slanting line, again slanting line and standing line. Okay? Then we learn small letter M. Standing line, make a curve. Okay? Then make again the curve. Standing line एंड फ्रॉम उसकी के ऊपर नीचे से ऊपर आना है, फिर मेक अ कर्व एंड अगेन अ कर्व. Understood all of you? So this page will be your homework. You have to write the capital M and also write the small letter M. Okay, and now you have to make the square. You have to make the square around the M. You have to make this kind of square. So आपको क्या करना है, मैच करना है. ओके, ऐसे आपको मैच करना है, ठीक है. और फिर यहाँ पे क्या लिखोगे, राइट M बिलो द पिक्चर्स. ओके, M for moon, M for mango, M for mug, M for monkey, M for mat and M for mushroom. Okay. Then we learn letter N. N for nest. N says nest. N for nest. So say the names of the pictures that begin with N, sound and color them. So इसको आपको कलर करना है, नेस्ट को एंड नेकलेस को, ठीक है. Then we learn how to write N. N for nail and N for nose. Standing line, slanting line and standing line. Standing line, slanting line and standing line. Standing line, slanting line and standing line. N for nail, N for nose. Each time when you write, you have to say and write, okay? So standing, this is small letter N, standing line and then make a curve. देखो स्टैंडिंग लाइन और फिर आधे से यहाँ पे कर्व बनाना है. स्टैंडिंग लाइन और यहाँ से कर्व, स्टैंडिंग लाइन और फिर बीच थोड़ा नीचे से गैप देके कर्व करना है, ऐसा. ओके, सो दिस पेज इज़ योर होमवर्क. You have to write capital letter N and small letter N. Draw ovals around N and N, small n, then join them. You have to draw the ovals. Okay. ऐसे ओवल्स ड्रॉ करना है आपको और फिर आपको ज्वाइन करना है. ओके, then write letter N, capital N and small n. N for nip, N for nail, N for nest. You have to say and write, okay? N for nurse, N for net and N for necklace. Then we learn letter O. O for ostrich. O says ostrich. Say all of you. सभी लोग मेरे पीछे रिपीट कीजिए. O for ostrich. O for ostrich. Say the names of the pictures that begin with O sound and color them. So you have to color these pictures. O for orange, O for octopus. Okay. Then we are going to write down the letter O, capital O. O for oil, O for ox. So like this you have to make a circle O from red line to blue line, red line to blue line. Okay, red line to blue line. And this is small o, this is small o, छोटा वाला o है. Okay, you have to write like this. And this page is your homework. You have to write down the capital O and the small letter O. So draw rectangles around O and small o, then join them to draw the rectangles. So then you have to join this. Okay, then you have to write it down. Write O below the picture. O for octopus. Okay, O for ox. निकालिए. Okay. So now match the capital letters to small letters. Match the capital letters to small letters. Next is look at the picture and circle the correct letter in each row. M for mango, so circle M. O for ostrich, circle O. N for nest. L for lamp. So say the names of the pictures and write L, M, N or O below them. So M for mask. L for lion. L for ladder. N for net. O for oil. M for moon. N for nail. O for orange. Put a cross on the picture that does not begin with the letter given on the left. Put a cross on the picture that does not begin with the letter given on the left. So M for moon, M for mango, M for mirror, but the key is starts with K. So put a cross mark here. N for net, N for nest and N for nose. G for gift को क्रॉस. ऐसे आपको 2 पिक्चर्स का खुद का करना है, ठीक है, खुद से. Write the missing letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Okay? So write the letters that comes after the given letters. I, J, B, C, E, F. Okay, I, J, B, C, E, F. ये आपको करना है. That is your homework. Match the pictures to the correct letters. O for octopus, L for lollipop, N for net and M for monkey. Write the letter that comes between the given letters. A, B, C, J, K, L, M, N, O, B, C, D. Okay? Concept of top and bottom. टॉप एंड बॉटम. टॉप यानी कि ऊपर, बॉटम यानी कि नीचे. ठीक है, देखो ये जो लड़का है टॉप पर है, ऊंचाई पे है ना, तो इसे कहते हैं टॉप. और जो नीचे है वो बॉटम पे है. किधर है? नीचे, बॉटम पर. सो इट इज़ टॉप एंड बॉटम. कलर द बॉल केप्ट ऑन द टॉप शेल्फ. कलर द बॉल केप्ट ऑन द टॉप शेल्फ. टॉप पे रखे हुए बॉल को हमें कलर करना है. तो कौन सा बॉल टॉप पे है? यहाँ पे ये वाला, ये टॉप पे है, ऊपर है ना, तो हमें उसे कलर करना है. सो कलर दिस बॉल. ओके, नेक्स्ट है सर्कल द चाइल्ड स्टैंडिंग एट द बॉटम स्टेप. सर्कल द चाइल्ड स्टैंडिंग ऑन द बॉटम स्टेप. नीचे वाले स्टेप पे कौन, बॉटम पे कौन है? ये वाले, तो इसको सर्कल कीजिए. ओके, इज अ डायमंड शेप. दिस इज़ अ डायमंड शेप. कैन सी डायमंड शेप. आपने कभी काजू कतली खाया है? वो भी एक डायमंड शेप में होता है ना. सो दिस इज़ अ डायमंड शेप. Say the names of the things in which you see a diamond shape. So we can see the diamond shape in cashew sweet, station name board and pendant. Cashew sweet, station name board and pendant. So circle only the diamond shape. Circle only the diamond shape. Circle the diamond shape. Okay, with your pencil. So trace the diamond shaped kites and color them. Slanting line, again the slanting line, okay. Line, again the slanting line, slanting line. Okay, and then you have to color it. Purple color. This is purple color. Which color is this? Purple color. Even this is the purple color pen and this is the crayon in purple color. Okay, so say the names of these things that are purple in color. Brinjal, fig, grapes and plum. Okay, plum is not in the purple color. Brinjal, grapes and fig. Put a cross for the things that are not purple color. This is not a purple color. This, again this, all this three is not in purple color, so put a cross. Concept of thick and thin. थिक यानी कि मोटा और थिन यानी कि पतला. आप अभी देख सकते हो ये कलर जो है कितना थिक है, कितना मोटा है ना, लेकिन ये पेन देखो कितना पतला है, एकदम पतला है, राइट. तो ये है थिक और ये है थिन. ये है थिक और ये है थिन. सो दिस कैरेट इज़ थिक and this carrot is thin. Color the thick thing in each set. जो मोटा है, जो thick है, वो आपको कलर करना है दोनों सेट में. जो अभी देखो ये thick है, इसको कलर कीजिए, और ये thick है तो इसको कलर कीजिए. ओके, then put a cross for the thin thing in each set. Put a cross for a thin thing in each set. So this is thin, again the thin, put a cross. Color the tree with a thick trunk. Thick trunk कौन सा है, ये वाला या ये वाला. ट्रंक जो है झाड़ का बेस, ब्रांच, ये पतला है, ये झाड़ा है, तो इसे कलर करना है. इस वाले को कलर करना है आपको. Numbers 1 to 15. So join the dots from 1 to 15 and color the picture. 1 to 15 को हमें क्या करना है, डॉट्स को ज्वाइन करना है. So let's start joining it. 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, we have completed till 15, right? So now you can color this cap. Now you can color this cap. So fill in the missing numbers. Missing numbers हमें क्या करना है, लिखना है. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 and then 10. आगे का आपको होमवर्क है, ये आपको खुद से करना है. ओके, नंबर 1, 6, 16. So count the apples and write the number 1, 6, 16. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So write the number 1 and 6, 16. 1 and 6, 16. 1 and 6, 16. 1 and 6, 16. Now we'll learn number 17. First we'll count the chocolates, toffees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 1 and 7, 17. 1 and 7, 17. 1 and 7, 17. So number 18. Let's count the cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 1 and 8, 18. 1 and 8, 18. 1 and 8, 18. Then we'll learn number 19. Let's count the leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 1 and 9, 19. 1 and 9, 19. So now we are going to do 2, 0, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 2, 0, 20. 2, 0, 20. Okay, in this way you have to write and complete. So numbers 1 to 20 you have to write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 1 and 1, 11, 1 and 2, 12, 1 and 3, 13. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. 1 and 1, 11. 1 and 2, 12, 1 and 3, 13, 1 and 4, 14, 1 and 5, 15, 1 and 6, 16, 1 and 7, 17, 1 and 8, 18, 1 and 9, 19, and 2, 0, 20. So in this way you have to write down here also. This will be your homework. Okay, the same the way we have written you have to write down here. Okay, so join the numbers from 1 to 20 and color the pictures. Join the dots from 1 to 20 and color the picture. So start joining the dot from number 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, then 20, like this. 20. Then you have to color this picture of bear. You have to color this picture of bear. Okay. Then listen and write the number. Listen and write the number. Parents, kindly help your kids so that you all have to dictate the numbers from 1 to 20, any number, and the kids will have to write. Okay, not from 1 to 20, you'll have to dictate the number from 11 to 20. So just since they have given 2 boxes, the kids have to write the number which you dictate. आप अगर डिक्टेट करते हो नंबर 11 तो किड्स को यहाँ पे लिखना है. प्लीज़ काइंडली हेल्प योर किड्स. Count and circle the correct number in each set. Count and circle the correct number in each set. So count and circle the correct number in each set. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So circle the number 16. In this way you have to count and circle those number in each set. Okay. So match the numbers to the set of objects 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. ऐसे आपको मैच करना है. ठीक है बच्चों.